Present.
Can you please switch on your video?
Okay.
Okay. Abarna?
Present.
Can you please switch on your video?
Video, Aparna.
Thank you. Sridev?
Present.
Fida? And last, Karthik.
Present.
Okay.
Fida, please turn your camera on. All participants keep your camera on.
Always they should keep no
All of you switch it on.
MS.
Till the end,
Yes,
the camera should be switched on. Aparna,
Only then
Vaibhav,
begin. Only then it will
Sridev,
begin.
Fida.
Karthik?
Karthik. Yes.
So one more participant is there.
One more.
Yes, Miss. 5 participants are there. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right. Sridev, Karthik, Vaibhav, Fida, and Aparna. 5.
Yes, Miss. Miss, I think Sridev hasn't switched on his video.
Sridev, don't switch it off. What's happening, Sridev?
I switched on, ma.
Simply don't keep the, no, leave it there as it is. Now need not switch off. Okay. Okay, Hari.
Miss, may we begin?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, we can start. You can tell the rules and all.
Yes, Miss. Hello, good afternoon. Respected teacher and my dear friends. Science is a subject that helps you to organize your curiosity in different ways. And guess what? If you have any chance to enhance your knowledge on science, just grab that opportunity. So, as we all know, our Vidyalaya is known for celebrating nationally important and internationally important days in a unique and very elaborate way by incorporating all sorts of extracurricular activities that is possible. So, despite of this COVID-19 pandemic, our Vidyalaya has taken a huge initiative to conduct an online quiz on science. So, I take this opportunity on behalf of the whole Chimya Vidyalaya family to welcome you all towards the final round of science quiz. The general instructions that I need to give is that, first of all, every one of you are requested to keep your cameras on for the entire quiz and mute your mic unless if we are asking question to you. So I think if you have any internet issues or any such things, you're supposed to inform it beforehand so that we could take any necessary actions are required. Is it clear for everyone? Hello, is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
So, okay. So without wasting any time, I'm just heading over to so before starting up the quiz, for today's quiz program, myself, Harikrishna MP, and my friend Akash NM will be conducting quiz for you, and we are the quiz masters for the day. We both are studying in 11th year, and we are biomath students. So without wasting further time, we can start the quiz.
Yes, thank you, Hari. Hello, everyone. And today I'm conducting the first round of the final round quiz for you. And I know that every filled with stars and the shiny constellations, moons, and guess today the first round of the quiz is all about stars and moons and constellations, and yes, it's about space. So the first round is about space, and I'll give you a did you know factor. Did you know our universe originated about 13.7 billion years ago, and before that it is said that there was no space and no time at all. All the rules mentioned by Hari are clear to you. So if it's all clear, we'll move on to the quiz.
Agash, may I say one thing?
Yes, Hari.
Agash? Okay. So the
Yes,
question, the order of the questions, yes. The order of the questions would be like the first question will be asked to Vaibhav, the second question will be asked to Aparna, third question to Sridev, fourth question to Fidda, and fifth question to Karthik. There are about 10 questions in this round, and each right answer will get 4 points, and there are no negative marks in this round. And each question can be passed 2 times, and each pass question carries half the previous point. Like for the second half, for the question passed for the second time, you will be getting 2 points, and passed again, you will be getting 1 point. Is it clear for the participants? So I hope it is clear for the participants. Okay. So Akash?
Yes, Hari. Okay, the first question is to Vaibhav. Vaibhav, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, the first question
Yes,
is
I can.
a star. Okay, a star of which color is said to be the coolest? And options are: option A is yellow, option B blue, option C red, option D black.
Black.
So you have about 45 seconds to think. So you can take your own time and answer.
Yes.
Black.
So is the final answer, Vaibhav?
Yes.
So, okay, black is not the right answer. The right answer is... So,
Raise option C, red. Yes, sir. As you can see in the picture, it's in the order as a blue and it decreases till red. Red is the coolest one. The next question is to Avarna.
Yes.
The question is, what is a black hole? Option A, it's a dark hollow cavity in the space. Option B, it's a collapsing star. Option C, it's a constellation. And option D, it's a galaxy.
Option B, a collapsing star.
Are you sure about the answer? You can take your own time and think.
Option B.
Yes, Hari.
So, okay. Yes.
Option B, a collapsing star is the correct answer. It's the picture of a black hole. Okay, the next question is to...
Yes. Okay.
The question is, what is the name of the first space tourist? First space tourist. Options are: option A, Scott Kelly, Koch, Tito. Option D, Yuri Gagarin.
Option C, Dennis Tito.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, then Hari.
Okay.
The correct answer is option C, Dennis Tito. This is Dennis Tito. The next question is to Fida. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, the question is, phenomenon can be observed on the moon? Option A, rising and setting of sun. Option B, solar eclipse. Motion of comets. And option D, twinkling of stars.
Could you please repeat the question?
Question is, which of the following phenomenon observed on the moon? Options are option A, rising and setting of sun. Option B, solar eclipse. Motion of comets. And option D, twinkling of stars.
Setting. Option A, rising and setting of sun. Yeah.
Okay, Hari. The correct answer is not option A, it's option D, the twinkling of stars. I've studied this. Twinkling of stars is because there's no atmosphere on the moon. Twinkling of stars is due to the refraction of air. Okay, the next question is to Karthik.
Yes. Yes.
Planet, yes, which planet has a revolution time shorter than its rotation time? And the options are Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, and Venus. Option B, Mars. Option C, Saturn. Option D, Venus.
Option D, Venus. Yes.
Okay, option D is the correct answer. Okay, the next question is again to Vaibhav. Vaibhav,
Okay. Yes.
how long a solar eclipse can last? Okay, did you hear the question?
Yes.
Option A, 8 minutes, 7 minutes. Option C, 7.5 minutes. And option D, 8.5 minutes. Vaibhav,
8 minutes. 8 minutes. 8 minutes.
are you sure?
Yes.
Hari? Option D is not the correct answer. The correct answer is option C, 7.5 minutes. Okay, the next question to Aparna.
Yes.
Question is, the first manned space mission was on April 12th, 1961. Capsule used. Options are option A, Vostok 1, Rover 1, option C, Apollo 8, and option D, Cassini.
Option A, Vostok 1.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, the answer is option A, Vostok 1. Sridev. Sridev,
Yes.
the question is, ISRO's first manned space mission is option A, Gaganyaan, Vidya, option C, Vyomitra, D, Nabyan.
Option A, Gaganya.
Are you sure about the answer?
Yes.
The correct answer is option A, Gaganyaan. Next to Fida again.
Yes.
Name the mission proposed by NASA to send first women in moon for 2024.
Yeah.
Okay, the options are option A, Apollo 20, option B, Artemis, option C, Humanoid 1, and option D, Mission Insignia.
Option B,
Could you repeat it?
Artemis. Option B, Artemis.
Option. Are you sure?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, Hari. There is option B, Artemis. Question of this round, and it's to Karthik.
Yes.
The question is, Suparco is the space agency of which of these countries? Option A, China, Sudan, option C, Pakistan, and option D, Ukraine.
Option A, China.
Are you sure about the answer?
Yes.
Option A, China is not the correct answer. The correct answer is option C, Pakistan. So that's the end of the first round. Conducted by Hari. Hari.
Okay, thank you, Akash. So as far as the points are concerned, Viper is yet to open his account. Avarna leads with 8 points. Sridev leads with 8 points. Fida with 4 and Karthik with 4. Move on to the next round. As you all know, the man who taught the Indians, especially the youth of India, to dream, to fulfill their dream, the missile man of India, born in a small town of Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu on 15th October 1931, and went on to become the President of India. Moreover, the lovable president, the lovable person of the whole world. As you all know, October 15th is celebrated as the World Student Day, and we are conducting this quiz also in connection with the World Students Day. So here is a special tribute to the man who taught us to dream, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So are you all ready for this quiz, for the second round? So, okay. So the second round would be beginning with Abarna. So the first question to Abarna. Which island is named after APJ Abdul Kalam? Option A, Wheeler Island, Odisha. Option B, Bhavani Island, Tamil Nadu. Option C, Missile Island, Karnataka. And option D, Landfall Island, Rajasthan.
Option A, Wheeler Island, Odisha.
Are you sure with the answer?
Yes.
So, okay. So, the correct answer is Wheeler Island of Odisha. So, the second question is to Sridev. Which of the following statement is not a correct statement about APJ Abdul Kalam? Option A, he received Bharat Ratna in 2007. He died on 17th July in Assam, India. He worked in DRDO. And option D, Vision 2020 was written in 1998.
Option B.
He died on 17th July in Assam, India.
Yes.
Are you sure with the answer?
Yes.
So, okay. So that's the right answer, Sridev. Option B, he died on 17th July in Assam, India. So what is the correct statement? Do you know that?
Shimla, I think.
Yes, right. Yes, it was in not in Shimla. Sorry, it's in Shillong.
Shillong, sorry. Yeah.
Shillong. Okay. So, okay, the next question to Fida.
Yeah.
Which state government approved a scheme named APJ Abdul Kalam Amrit Yojana to help women and children in 16 tribal community? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Odisha. Option C, Jharkhand. And option D, Maharashtra.
Option D, Maharashtra.
Are you sure with the answer?
Yeah.
So, yes, option D, Maharashtra is the right answer. So, the fourth question is to Karthik.
Yes.
This was my first stage in which I learned leadership and from 3 great teachers. Who among the following is not one among the 3? Is the question clear for you?
Yes.
So the options are option A, Vikram Sarabhai, option B, Sadish Dhawan, option C, Homi J. Bhabha, and option D, Brahm Prakash.
Option D, Brahm Prakash.
Are you sure with the answer?
Yes.
Sorry, Karthik, the answer is Homi Jahangir Baba. Brahm Prakash was his childhood teacher. Okay.
Okay.
So the next question is to Vaibhav. Name the presidential opponent of APJ Abdul Kalam in presidential election of 2002. Option A, Pratibha Patel. Option B, K.R. Narayanan. Option C, Lakshmi Sahgal. And option D, Pranab Mukherjee.
Lakshmi Sahgal.
Are you sure with your answer?
Yes.
So, okay, Vaibhav, the right answer is Lakshmi Sahgal. And she's also known as Captain Lakshmi. I hope you know her. She was one of the members of INA, Indian National Army. So the next question is to Aparna. The lecture Kalam was delivering at IIM Shillong on the day of his death. Option A, Vision 2020. B, Livable Planet Earth. C, Reignited. And option D, India of My Dreams. Aparna?
Yes.
Okay, the question is clear for you, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Option A, Vision 2020.
Are you sure with the answer?
Yes.
Sorry, Aparna, the answer was option B, Livable Planet Earth. He went in IIM Shillong in order to give a small introduction about Livable Planet Earth, as deforestation was taking its toll on Shillong during that period. Okay, is it clear for you?
Yes.
So, okay, so the next question is to Sridev. Which state government has instituted a youth award in the name of former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? Option A, Tamil Nadu. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Odisha. And option D, Meghalaya.
A, Tamil Nadu.
Are you sure with the answer?
Yes.
So that's the right answer. Option A, Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Next question is to Fida.
Yeah.
APJ Abdul Kalam Marg is situated in option A, Kerala, option B, Delhi, option C, Maharashtra, and option D, Tamil Nadu. Fida?
Yeah.
The question is clear for you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Delhi, option B.
Option B, Delhi. Are you sure about it?
Yeah.
Sorry, Fida. The right answer was option A, Kerala, and it's in our dear Kochi. Okay. So it's in Kochi, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Marg, and it was inaugurated on 2017. You can see it near the Marine Drive if you have went there. So, okay. So the next question is to Karthik. APJ
Yes.
Abdul Kalam is known as option A, People's President, option B, Students President, option C, Happy President, and option D, none of these.
Option A, People's President.
Are you sure about it?
Yes.
So that's the right answer, option A, People's President. So the last question of this round to Vaibhav. What is the name of the initiative launched by former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on 9th July 2015 with the objective to inculcate a spirit of inquiry, creativity, and love for science and mathematics in school children? Is the question clear for you, Vaibhav?
Yes.
So the options are Rashtriya Avishkar Abhiyan, option B, Rashtriya Kalyan Abhiyan, option C, Jan Kalyan Abhiyan, and option D, Chhatra Kalyan Abhiyan.
Rashtriya Kalyan Abhiyan.
Are you sure with the answer?
Yes.
Sorry, Vaibhav, the answer is Rashtriya Avishkar Abhiyan. This was one of the last initiative put forward by APJ Abdul Kalam before his death. So, okay, so that's the end of the second round. So, moving on to you, Agash.
Yes, Hari. Sridev is in the lead here. I think Sridev is going to bank the prize today. So the next round is about general science. We all know about general science. We have been studying it from our childhood. Every one of us has a GK period. The main thing that's coming in general science is you should have observation power. General science is about nature, it's about space, it's about everything actually. And today, in this round, we are going to test your observation power and your knowledge about general science. So we move on to the round. First question is to Sridev. Okay, the question is, which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? The options are option A, MERS, option B, SARS, option C, both A and B, option B, neither A nor B.
Yes, it's clear. Option B.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Hari? I'm sorry, today the correct answer is option C, both A and B. MERS and SARS are both related to coronavirus. Okay, the next question. Next question is to Fida. Okay, the question is, which of the following statements is or are correct about favipiravir? The question is, which of the following statement is or are correct about favipiravir? Is the question clear, Fida?
Yes.
Okay, I'll read the options. Option A, favipiravir is an antiviral COVID-19 drug. Option B, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals under the brand name Fabiflu has launched an antiviral drug, favipiravir. And option C, it is India's first COVID-19 drug, launched, priced at rupees 103 plus per tablet. And option D, all the above are correct.
Option A.
It's option A. Are you sure?
No. Option D, all the above are correct.
Is it option D?
Yeah.
Okay, Hari. Answer is option D. All the above are correct. Okay, this is a picture question, and the question is to Karthik.
Yes.
You can see the picture, can't you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, and there's a clue given. He is known as the father of chemical science in India.
Okay.
You have to give the name of this person.
Rafula. Rafula.
Full name.
Rafula Chandra Rai.
Yes, could you repeat it once more?
Rafula Chandra Rai.
Hari? The correct answer is Rafula was correct. Was it a guess or did you know the answer?
Yeah, I knew like half of the answer. Prafula I knew. Rest was.
Guess, I guess. Okay, to Vaibhav. The question is, following is the heaviest metal? Vaibhav, did you hear?
Yes.
Okay, the options are, option A is osmium, option B mercury, option C iron, and option D nickel.
Iron.
We are saying that's option C iron.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Hari? I'm sorry, the correct answer is option A, osmium. Osmium is the heaviest metal and is not iron. Is to Aparna. It's again a picture quiz. Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Okay. And there's a clue given. He speculated that the universe is expanding. Was the person who speculated that the universe is expanding?
John Glenn.
Could you repeat it?
John Glenn. Yes.
Okay. Hari, I'm sorry, Aparna, the answer is wrong. The correct answer is Edwin Hubble. Edwin Hubble was the one who speculated that the universe is expanding. Okay, the next question again to Sridev. The question is, study of tissues are, and the options are option A, histology, option B, tissue culture, option C, cytology, and option D, mycology.
Option C.
Okay, you're saying that's option C.
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
I'm sorry, the answer is wrong. It's option A, histology. Cytology is the study of cells. Okay, the next question to Fida.
Yeah.
The question is, evolved from which group of species? From which group of species?
Yeah.
Okay. Option A, they didn't evolve from any species. Amphibians. Option C, reptiles. And option D, Fida.
Yeah. Yes.
So you are about to answer now, Fida. So what's your answer?
Reptiles.
Reptiles. Yes, the correct answer is option C, reptiles. Next question is to Karthik.
Yes.
The question is, the science of vegetable growing dealing with the culture of non-woody plants for food is called. Option A, olericulture. Option B, horticulture. Option C, floriculture. And option D, silviculture.
Could you please repeat the question?
Okay. Question is, the science of vegetable growing dealing with the culture of non-woody plants for food is called. Should I repeat the options again?
Yes.
Option A, olericulture. Option B, horticulture. Option C, floriculture. And option D, silviculture.
Option A, olericulture.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. Option A, olericulture is the correct answer. Okay, the next question to Vaibhav. The question is, the largest species in dolphin family is? Okay, the largest species in dolphin family is? Options are option A, killer whale. Option B, pilot whale. And option D, dark whale.
Killer whale. Option A, killer whale.
Okay. Option A, killer whale is the correct answer. This is the killer whale. Next is the last question of this round. Aparna. The question is to Aparna.
Yes.
Yes. Which of the following is called philosopher's wool? Question is, which of the following is called philosopher's wool? Option A, zinc bromide. Option B, zinc nitrate. Option C, zinc oxide. Option D, zinc chloride.
Option B, zinc nitrate.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm sorry, Aparna. The correct answer is option C, zinc oxide. That's the end of the third round. Over to you.
Okay, thank you, Akash. And it's really exciting, isn't it? We have seen a lot of twists and turnovers in this round. So the next round is probably the final round. And as you all have guessed, this is the rapid fire round. And the rules for this rounds are pretty much different and probably new for you. So for better explanation of it, I hand it over to Akash. Akash, please.
Okay, Hari. Every one of you can see the screen here. You can see it, right?
Anyone? Please respond.
Yes.
Hello?
Okay. The questions are in the form of infinite bounds format. You'll be asked a question, and once you're asked a question, you'll get 10 marks if you reply correctly. And if you don't know the answer, or if you're replying wrongly, you will not get any negative marks, and the question will be passed. And it will be passed to the next person. If he or she tells the correct answer, then he will get 5 marks. It will be only passed once. It will not be passed twice. Is it? Did everyone of you understand what I just said? Anyone? Please respond.
Anyone, please? Vaibhav, Aparna, Sridev, Fida, and Karthik, did you understand the first rule?
Yes.
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 Okay. The next rule is about pouncing. If it's not a direct question to any of you, then if you are confident that you know the answer, even if the question is not to you, you are confident that you know the answer, then you can pounce. On a pounce, if the answer that you told is correct, you get a P. And if the answer that you told is wrong, then you lose 10 marks. 10 marks. And another interesting feature is that you cannot pounce once the question is passed from one team. You'll have to pounce before passing. Is it clear? Ida?
No.
It's not clear.
So I think Agash, sorry to interrupt you, Agash.
Yes, I think it will be clear by an example, Hari.
Yes, so let's enact an example. So probably this round
Yes.
is an identification round. So you will be given 4 clues. So within that 4 clue, if you are able to like find the answer, you will be getting 20, 15, 10 and 5 points respectively. If you are able to guess it for the first, you will be getting 20 points. If you are guessing it for the second, you will be getting it for the 15 points. And for the third, 10, and the fourth, 5. Is it clear for you? Is that clear for you?
Yes.
So if you're passing, you will be getting half the point that clue contains. Like if you're passing directly from the first clue, like I don't know the answer. So if you're passing from directly the first clue, so the next person will be getting that first clue and he will be getting about 10 points. Is it right, Agash? Akash?
Yes, it's correct.
So if someone is pouncing means he or she will get the same points as that clue carries. Like if you are pouncing for the second clue, you will be getting how many points? 15 points. So let's make it clear with an example. So if I am asking a simple question, the pigment that gives red color to blood. Suppose if that is the question, is it? Can you hear me?
Yes.
So if that is the question, if suppose my question is to Viber, so Viber can write the answer. So the important thing is that no one is supposed to say your answer unless we are asking. Okay. So everyone is supposed to carry a pen and paper with you, a small piece of paper, pen and a paper. So so if you know the answer, you can write it down. And if anyone is interested to pounce, on that, you can just raise your hand. So I think probably every one of you are right-handers, isn't it? So you can raise your left hand and write your answer. And after writing your answer, just raise your both the hands towards the screen to make sure that no malpractices are done. Is it clear for you? Now, is it clear for you? Vaibhav, Abarna, Sridev, Fida, and Karthik?
Children, please respond.
Anyone? So if you're
Anybody?
bouncing and if you're getting a wrong answer, you will be getting negative 10 marks. So that's what we have meant. So this is usually a Sahodaya format of quizzing. So we have introduced it in the last round so that you get familiar with it. So anyone, please respond. We are ready to explain it to you. So this is the last round. So it's a very crucial round.
1 minute. I didn't take pencil and book. Can I take?
Is your camera on? Since I'm
Yes.
listening, I can't see. Okay. So yeah, you can take your pen and pencil. Yes. So is there any doubts? If there is any doubt, please ask. This is a crucial round. So this can decide your positions. Like maybe the first may go to the last may go to the first. Anything can happen. So is it clear? The others? Is it clear? Viper, is it clear for you?
Yes.
Aparna, is it clear for you?
Yes.
Sridev?
When we pouncing, what should we do? That I didn't.
When you're pouncing, you're supposed to write the answer in the paper. While writing, you can lift your left hand or right hand, like as per your writing hand. And after writing, keep your pen down or pen or pencil down and raise your both hands. This is to make just sure that you are not doing any sort of malpractices. Is it clear, Sridev?
Yes, it's clear.
Fida, is it clear for you?
Yes.
Karthik?
Yes.
So is it Abarna who has went to take the pen?
Yes, I came.
Let's come back, Hari.
You came back? Okay, so Akash, may I continue with the round?
Yes, sir. You can continue.
So thank you, Akash. So the first question is to Fida. So, okay, everyone, are you ready with your pen and paper? So, okay, Fida.
Yes.
So your first clue is you are supposed to identify a person, okay? So your first clue is he founded the Indian Journal of Physics in 1926. Okay, is there anyone to pounce on that clue? Whether anyone knows the answer within this clue? Anyone? If you are ready, you can say yes.
The
Hello?
Fida, are you bouncing?
I think the question is to Fida. So remaining, Vaibhav, Aparna, Srite or Karthik. Is there anyone to pounce? Anyone? Yes or no, please?
No.
No.
No, it's a no from Vaibhav, Aparna, Srite and Karthik, isn't it? Hello? Akash, is there any disturbance in the background from any of the participants?
Yes, I think the noise is coming from Fida's side.
Fida, is there anyone, like her camera is on, isn't right?
Yes, her camera is on, but there's noise coming.
So, okay, Fida, are you able to answer using the first clue?
Yes, yes. Can I say?
Okay, you can say. So if the answer is wrong, you won't get any point. You will be moving on to the second clue. That's it. No one is ready to pounce, I think. So Fida, you can say the answer.
Is it C.V. Raman?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That's a brilliant guess, Fida, and the right answer is C.V. Raman. So the further clues were, so you get 20 points, Fida. So you get a total of 20 points. Congratulations, Fida. So the next clues were he described the reason for blue color of the sea as a phenomenon of diffraction. The first Asian person to receive a Nobel Prize in any branch of science. The personality's birthday is celebrated by the government of India as National Science Day every year. So the answer is C.V. Raman. And was it a guess by seeing physics there, Fida?
Actually, I read it somewhere.
So, okay, so now you know, isn't it, the importance of reading? So that was a brilliant answering. Good. So the next question is to Karthik. Karthik, are you ready?
Yes.
Others, are you ready? Okay. So the next question is about a space agency. Okay. So you are supposed to guess a space agency. The first clue is the space agency established in 1958, succeeding the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics. Is there anyone apart from Karthik, Vaibhav, Aparna, Sridev, Fida? Anyone is ready to pounce on this clue? Anyone?
Vaibhav, please turn on your camera.
Vaibhav, please, if your camera is off for a long time, we might need to take some actions, please. Akash?
Yeah, he's switched on his camera. Hari.
Okay. So, okay, I'm repeating the first clue. Space agency established in 1958, succeeding the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics. So, Karthik can write the answer if he knows. Is there anyone, Vaibhav, Aparna, Sridev or Fida? Is there anyone who is ready to pounce? Say yes or no, please.
No.
No, it's a no from Sridev. Remaining, Adarva, Fida,
No.
sorry, Aparna, Fida, Vaibhav, anyone, no one is pouncing, isn't it? So, Karthik, do you know the answer?
ISRO?
Are you sure with that?
No way.
You have 4 more clues.
Okay, the next clue.
Okay, so the next clue is the agency is also responsible for the launch services program, which provides oversight of launch operations. So this question carries 15 marks. Is there anyone apart from Karthik to pounce on this clue? Pouncing. Is there anyone to pounce? Please say yes or no, please. Who is that?
Fida.
Fida. Okay, Fida, don't say your answer. Please write it in the paper. Okay, so keep it there itself. Write it in a paper and keep it there itself. So, okay, apart from Fida, anyone? Sridev, Abarna, Vaibhav? Anyone ready to pounce?
No.
No. So, Karthik, what? No, wait. Okay, Fida, no, Karthik, what? Are you ready to answer it?
Uh,
Excuse me, Hari.
Can I get the next clue?
Oh, okay, sorry. What, Agash?
I think Fida should raise her hands, right, Hari?
Yes, Fida should raise her hand. Okay, sorry, I didn't see that. Okay, Fida should raise her hand to make sure that no malpractices are there. So Karthik is not answering. Karthika, are you answering for the second clue?
No.
So, okay, Fida, what is your answer? Please show it and read. Show it in front of the camera and read it. Fida? Hello, Fida?
Yeah.
She's
So what's
showing
your
her.
answer? What? Sorry, I didn't hear.
NASA.
NASA. So that's again a brilliant guess by Fida. So the right answer is NASA. So Fida gets plus 15 points. Sorry, Karthik. The answer is said by Fida. So you may not be able to answer it again. So the answer is NASA. So the next clue was supporting the International Space Station and is overseeing the development of Orion spacecraft, the space launch system, and commercial crew vehicles. And the next clue was independent agency of US federal government responsible for the civilian space program as well as aeronautics and space research. So again, a brilliant guess by Fida. Fida, I think. Yes, is it Fida?
Yes.
Thank you. No problem, Karthik. You have still chance. Okay. So the next question is to Vaibhav. Vaibhav, are you ready?
Yes.
So the first clue, you're supposed to guess a day or a date. Okay. It's a very important day or date. Okay. So the first clue is this day was first observed in the year 1974. Is there anyone apart from Vaibhav to pounce on this question? Anyone? Anyone? Yes or no, please? You can answer fast. Yes or no? Is it a yes or no from others apart from?
No.
No. No. Okay. So Karthik, Fida, Sridev, and Aparna are not pouncing. No. So Vaibhav, can you answer?
No.
You need the second clue.
Yes.
So the second clue is the day is chosen to act against marine pollution, human overpopulation, and global warming to sustainable consumption and wildlife crime. Anyone apart from Vaibhav, Abarna, Sridev, Fida, and Karthik? Are you pouncing? Anyone?
No.
Is it a no from all the four?
No.
So I think no one is pouncing, isn't it? So Vaibhav, Do you have the answer?
No.
So the third clue. May I move on to the third clue?
Yes.
So the third clue is the theme for the day in the year 2020 was Time for Nature and was hosted in Colombia in partnership with Germany. Anyone apart from Vaibhav, Abarna, Sridev, Fida, and Karthik? Again, I'm asking, are any one of you ready to pounce? So you may guess it. I think you need not worry about the minus points. Like obviously you will be getting -10 if you are wrong, but still it's all about quizzing. It's all about knowledge. So is there anyone? Aparna, Sridev, Fida, Karthik? Are you pouncing for the third clue?
No.
Is it a no? Sorry, I didn't hear that. Is it a no from all the four? Is it a no from all the four? Please, may I know it? So I think it's a no from all the four. So Vaibhav, is there an answer for it from your side?
No. No.
So this is the final clue, okay? So Vaibhav, if you are answering for the final clue, if it is right, you will be getting 5 points, and if it is wrong, there will be no negative marking. Okay. But for others, there will be negative marking if they are pouncing and answering it wrong. Okay. So the last and final clue is United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection for the environment. So is it clear? United Nations principal vehicle. This day is considered to be the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. So apart from Vaibhav, anyone? Aparna, Sridev. So may I know, may I hear the voice? Aparna, is it a no from your side?
No.
Sridev?
Can I?
Wait, who is that? Fida?
Yes.
Okay, Fida, just write your answer by lifting one of your hand. Now, after writing the answer, keep both the hands in the air. Okay, so Sridev, are you ready to pounce?
No.
Karthik, are you ready to pounce?
No.
I think you have understood the question, isn't it? You're supposed to say day, like 11th July, 10th October. You're supposed to say such a day. All these clues are related to such a day. Okay. So, okay. Vaibhav, are you ready to say the answer? You won't get any negative marks.
5th June.
So, Fida, what was your answer? Please show it to the screen and say it.
I too wrote June 5th, Environment Day.
Is it the same, Agash? Like whether Fida has written the same? I can't see that, right?
Yes, Harish has written June 5th.
So that's a brilliant guess, Fida, again, and congratulations to Vaibhav. Both of you are awarded with 5 points since the answer was given in the last clue. Both of you are getting 5 points each. Okay, so please mute your mic. I think it's Fida, isn't it? So Fida. So congratulations, Vaibhav. Congratulations, Fida. So Aparna, so the next question is to you. Are you ready, Aparna?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, Aparna. So now you're supposed to say about a disaster that has happened. Okay, disaster. It's a famous disaster that has happened. So, okay, the first clue is the disaster was the second fatal accident in the space shuttle program after the 1986 breakup of Challenger soon after liftoff. So apart from Aparna, is there anyone to pounce? Vaibhav, Sridev, Fida, and Karthik? Anyone?
No.
No.
No. Is it a no from Sridev too? Like Fida, Sridev, I can't understand who is speaking. It's a no?
Yes. No.
Okay, so Aparna, are anyone ready to pounce? No one, I think. Okay, so Aparna, can you answer?
I don't
Or
know.
do you need the second clue?
Yes, next.
So you need the second. Next clue. Okay. So the next clue is a mission by NASA where the whole 7 crew members were burned. So this is a disaster launched by NASA where the whole 7 crew members were burned. So anyone is it? Are they ready to pounce?
Yes.
Who is that?
Karthik.
Karthik. Okay, Karthik, you may write your answer in the paper by lifting one of your hand, and after writing, lift both of your hands. So apart from Karthik, is there anyone to pounce?
Karthik, please turn on your video.
Oh, is his video off? So please.
And hands in the air, please.
And hands in the air. Okay. So, okay, I think Karthik has finished. So, Abarna, are you able to answer using this third clue? No, sorry, second clue. Okay, yeah. Columbia, what Columbia?
Plane, rocket. I don't know.
No, you may say, like, I think you don't have a negative, since it is a direct question to you, you won't have the negative marks.
Columbia crash.
So, what was the answer given by Karthik? Karthik, you may please say your answer.
Space Shuttle Columbia disaster.
So I think, yes, that's the right answer. Space Shuttle Columbia disaster. And Akash, do we need to give points to Abarna? Like Columbia disaster?
She just said half.
Half. Like Columbia disaster, like the even like Space Shuttle program is also from Columbia. I think you may understand it, isn't it? Abarna?
Yes.
Yes.
Shuttle breakup of Challenger was also from Columbia. So if you are saying Columbia disaster, like you should be specific, isn't it? Space Shuttle Columbia disaster, like that's the only important name that is given. So I think we can't give points to Abarna. Sorry, Abarna, but the clue was right, but there is no half points here. And Karthik, congratulations, Karthik, you will get 15 points. Abarna, is it okay for you? Is it clear for you?
Okay.
Okay, Abarna. So the next clues were a fatal incident in the United States space program occurred on February 1, 2003. And the last clue, one of the crew member was Kalpana Chawla. And the right answer is Columbia Space Shuttle disaster. So that's a good guess, Karthik. And we are moving on to the final question of this round. And Sridev, are you ready?
Yes.
So you're supposed to guess an award. Like I will be mentioning some clues about an award and you are supposed to guess which award is that, okay? So the question is, so the clues are, this award was given for the first time in the year 1901. 1901. Is there anyone who is ready to pounce on this clue apart from Sridev?
Yes.
Is it Karthik again?
Yes.
Me too.
Who is that?
Fida.
Fida, Karthik, what about Abarna and Vaibhav? Are you ready to pounce? Anyone? Please answer. Vaibhav, Abarna, are you ready to pounce?
Yes.
Who is that, Vaibhav?
Yes.
Vaibhav, are you ready to pounce? Yes.
Yes.
Abarna, you are not ready.
Yes.
Even you are ready. So all the 4 are ready, apart from Sridev to pounce. So to make it clear, Vaibhav, are you ready once again?
Yes.
Aparna, are you ready to pounce?
Yes.
Fida, are you ready to pounce?
Yes.
Karthik, are you ready to pounce?
Yes.
So all the 4 write your answers in the paper, and Sridev, wait, you keep your answer in your mind, or even you can write it down. So everyone wrote the answer?
Yes.
Sridev, even Sridev has written.
Yes.
Sridev, is it okay? So on the countdown of 3, 2, 1, everyone are supposed to show the answer as well as say one by one. Okay. So on the countdown of 3, 2, 1, please show your answers and say it one by one. What is the answer?
Peace Prize.
Nobel Prize.
Nobel Prize.
Nobel Prize.
Nobel Prize.
Okay. Who said Peace Prize?
Karthik.
Sorry, Karthik, you get a negative of 10 points, and the right answer is Nobel Prize. And except Karthik, Fida, Sridev, Aparna, and Vaibhav. Am I right, Akash?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Apart from Karthik, Fida, Sridev, Aparna, and Vaibhav gets a 20 points, and that's the end of the round. And if you need to have the other clues, it's widely regarded as most prestigious award available in their respective field, awarded to those who, during the preceding year, have conferred the greatest benefit to humankind, awarded in the fields of physics, chemistry, physiology, medicine, literature, and peace. And the answer is Nobel Prize. No problem, Karthik. You have awarded with negative 10 points, and the other 4 have been awarded with 20 points. So that's the end, and I think we need about 1 minute to tabulate the points, isn't it, Akash?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So that so can you please mute your mic? I think it's Fida again. So Fida, can you please mute your mic? Fida, Aparna, I don't know who is that. Please mute your mic. Okay. So let's wait. So thanking you all, and my special regards to the whole science department and our principal sir for making this quiz possible. And I thank all the participants for your very healthy competition. And I thank Akash also because he has been a lot cooperative with me all around this quiz. So thank you everyone. And as our Chinmayananda Swamiji said, it's not about the trophy one, but the race that was running. So with this, I conclude the whole quiz program and I move on to Akash. So Akash, please.
Yes, Hari has said most of it. I also have the same things to say. Thank you, everybody. Thanks, everyone, for cooperating. Fida, Aparna, Sridev, Karthik, and Vaibhav. Thank you, everybody, for cooperating. Thank you, teachers, for your esteemed presence here. Thank you, Principal Sir. And it was possible because of teachers that we got this opportunity to conduct this quiz today. We thank the whole of the science department. And we declare that this quiz has concluded. So the results are: first place goes to Fida. Fida has shown us an excellent performance. She has taken up a pace in the pounds and bounds round. And she has guessed every answer excellently. And it was a really wonderful performance. And the second place is backed by Sridev. Was also really good. He was the ace in the first initial rounds, and he got the second place due to the mistakes he made in the pounds and bounds round. And the third place goes to Aparna. Aparna too has shown us a great performance. And the fourth and fifth places goes to Vaibhav and Vaibhav respectively. Congratulations to all the winners. You have shown us a great performance. As everyone says, quizzing is not about winning or losing. It's all about the spirit of participating that matters. It doesn't matter if you win or lose. The only thing that matters is you participate in the quiz and you gain a lot of knowledge. Thank you. Hari, I hand over to you.
So thank you, Akash. So indeed, it was a great performance from all the participants. So as our Swamiji said, as the same thing, it's not all about the trophy one, but the race run. So once again, congratulations to all the participants. So keep your quizzing spirit going on. So is there any opinion, or would the participants like to say something about the quiz? This is probably the first time that we are conducting a quiz in online. So is there any opinion from your side? Anyone? So okay.
Participants can speak. Participants can speak, no? About your opinion about the quiz or something
miss.
else. Fida. Fida comes first. Fida. Fida is not present. Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can speak something.
Yes, Fida, you can speak something.
Then Sridev. Sridev,
Yes, miss.
okay, you also can say something. Fida is not at all saying anything.
Ma'am, I want to thank Hari and Akash because they conducted this in a very excellent manner, and it was overall good. It was a good initiative, ma'am, by them.
Thank you, Sridev.
Thank you, Sridev.
And who are the others here? Aparna. Aparna.
Yes, miss. It was very a good experience to me, and I am participating for the first time in a science quiz. The questions were really good. Thank you.
Okay, then who else is here? Karthik is there. Karthik has joined, I think.
Yes, miss.
Karthik.
Miss, the quiz masters were really great by taking the initiative.
Okay, then. Anyone else is there? Karthik left. Okay. Then Vaibhav has not joined, I think. No. Prita miss?
I have joined.
Okay.
Vaibhav is there. Okay.
Vaibhav. You also can speak. Karthik left, I think.
It was a very good experience.
Okay. Then Prita miss now. Whether juniors, whether they want to speak. Yesterday they didn't say anything, I think. Juniors?
Yes, we'll give them a chance. Yes.
Shishira. Shishira is coming first, I think. Shishira?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Your opinion.
The quiz was very wonderful. The quiz masters presented it in a very wonderful way. They were very attentive, attention, as keeping very attention. So, thank you for giving us such a wonderful opportunity.
Then who comes? Rayans? Rayan?
Mayuka.
No,
Mayuka.
Mayuka?
The quiz was excellent.
Over. Then who is?
It was a wonderful experience too.
Okay. Next, who is remaining? Rayan is there? Rayan. Rayan?
It was wonderful experience. I like it.
Anyone else is there? Frida miss?
No one else. No one else.
One spoke. Okay.
Okay.
Then we can wind up. Frida miss can.
Yes, and the quiz masters Hari, Akash, Navneet, Abhijit, and Kishore. Wonderful job done. And we were expecting some problems and all, but luckily there were no problems. It was conducted in a very nice manner, and it was picture perfect, I should say. Hari Krishna and Akash and the Abhijit, Kishore, and Navneet. It was wonderfully created in a short span of time. So you all can go into professional quizzing is what I feel. So you read a lot, so you can, when you prepare such quizzes, you tend to read little more about that subject. So your knowledge also increases. along with the knowledge of the participants. So knowledge is an ever-growing tree. It should continuously grow. So keep that tree growing in you. And thank you once more. And Shaila Miss too. Without Shaila Miss' help, maybe it would not have been possible in such a short span of time. So the work was started long back, but then just after the exams only we could get into the actual quiz. So thank you once more, all of you. And I hope many more quizzes you'll be able to organize. You'll take part also. Okay, so all the best, children. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Swapna Miss is there. Swapna Miss.
Yes, Miss. Miss, I am a bit late in joining because no current over here, Miss. Am I audible?
Yes, yes. But
Yes,
not
Hari Om,
visible very much.
all. Okay, I think so because of some net issues.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Children, you have done a wonderful job. Very happy. No, it's just like how we see Sahodaya quiz going on, where many great people conducting a quiz, right? Where we had such an experience yesterday. Very, very happy. We have a very nice team over here where who are ready to conduct quiz in such a wonderful manner. Okay, children, thank you very much. I take this opportunity to congratulate all my children, my winners, participants, my quiz masters, all behind. All behind and working for it. Very, very, very nice. It was a very good experience we had actually. And my teachers also. I thank all my friends. Very nice time I had. Okay, yesterday. I could not sit till the end because of some other course in between. Anyway, thank you, children. Thank you very much. Keep going. God bless all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, children. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, Miss. Rita Miss. Shaila Miss.
Miss can speak some little bit.
Okay.
HOD.
I do have the same thing. We could conduct the science quiz in both the categories successfully. So on behalf of science department, and I congratulate all the winners and participants. We know the success of a science quiz does not depend only on the performance of the participants. It depends on the quiz masters too. So here we had eminent quiz masters, let me say, Hari, Akash in the senior category, and Navaneet, Abhijit, and Kishore in the junior category. So I thank all the quiz masters for conducting the quiz in a successful manner. Then I thank Shaila Miss and Preeta Miss who were behind the organization of the science quiz. Once again, I thank one and all who are present in this Google Meet. Thank you, children. Hari Om.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Mini Miss would like to speak something. 1 or 2 sentences.
Yesterday itself I spoke, Miss. I congratulated them for organizing such a very good event. And all enjoyed, I hope. Just as we teachers enjoyed, I think the participants also enjoyed. And in my house also 3 were sitting and watching. So it was a very good, nice one. Thank you.
Okay, then shall we wind up, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay, definitely. Whether they had to speak something, quiz masters 5 are here now. If they want to speak,
Yes.
let them speak something if required. If they want to speak.
Navneet, Abhijit, Kishore, Hari, and Akash.
It was indeed a great experience for me as well because it was first event that I am conducting as a quizmaster, and it's even in the online platform. It is, I think our Vidyalaya is conducting it for the first time. So I'm very happy for being the part of this quiz program. And I thank Akash and the whole science department for making this quiz possible and cooperating with me in a very wonderful manner. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Anyone else want to
Akash?
speak?
So I just want to thank the teachers and the participants for allowing us to conduct this quiz. This was a wonderful experience. As Sari said, this is the first time I'm conducting a quiz. I've been participating in quiz online. So I just want to thank teachers again for allowing us to do it.
Teachers, Hariom friend. I too have the same things to say as Hari did. I thank all the teachers for giving us such a wonderful opportunity. And I thank Hari. It was because of him that I was able to participate. He told my name as his partner, and that's why I was able to join this quiz. Thank you, Hari. Thank you, teachers, for giving us such a wonderful opportunity. I'm really happy to take part in such a quiz. It's my first time taking part in such a quiz. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, I guess I would like to thank everyone, and whatever has to be said, these three have already said already. I would like to thank all the participants for being patient with the slides, even if we had some mistakes there. I would like to sincerely apologize if the questions were a little bit tough. But I thank you all for your patience, and I thank the teachers for allowing us to conduct this type of online quiz. Thank you very much.
Now we'll wind up now. Shaila and Preeta miss.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Yes. Shaila Miss would like to speak something?
Shaila miss did miss.
Yes, yes.
No, I'm just asking, can we finish off the next week's science meeting also?
Now itself. But if you are missing.
No, it's okay, okay. Few are missing. Yes, I think Bindu Missanon is
Shaila
not
Miss,
over
you
here.
can speak something, and then we'll wind up.
Okay, I congratulate all the participants and quiz masters. Okay, sorry. Actually, here is a bit of disturbance. My son is watching cartoon. That is why I'm worried that will come in recording. Okay. Anyway, congratulations, Hari Krishna, Akash, Navneet, Abhijit, and Kishore. Actually, when I asked, immediately they said okay, and they are ready to conduct, and they put all effort, and because of them only, I say it was a great success. Anyway, thank you. Thank you, teachers, Pita Miss and Uma Miss, and all science teachers. Once again, thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.